It is January 18th, 2024, and we are at American Girl Mine in Winterhaven, California. We're going to do a quick fly around. I'll point out a few things, but it's basically a lot of open space just to camp.
Blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need to fix it?
This is all campable, but most people don't go out here unless you're an off-road all-wheel drive Class B.
Hard to see you when your eyes look dull. Who's gonna say?
As you can see, it's wicked crowded. Yeah, there's tons of space out here if people want to do the 14-day BLM.
Not blue. Blue too. That blue. Sort of witty and jaded, but let's not talk about you. Your coyote song on a rerun. Are you hound dog tired singing all night long? Who's gonna save you?
Oftentimes, as you know by now, people like to camp together, so by the looks of this in your upper right-hand corner, it's probably a group that knows each other. They tend to put campers all together like this, so we're going to go ahead and kind of fly over that before we turn around. Upper right corner there's a mountain that's kind of fun to walk around. Lots of good walking in the desert out here.
Do you need a picture?
But you can get big rigs in here. You just have to stick to the right roads.
Hard to take one when your iPhone's full. Who's gonna say?
Lots of campers far in the distance, so this is a pretty big area. As you can see, though, it's really spread out. This is just our favorite area of American Girl Mine area. It's nice to see it from the top because you can see where people have had previous campsites and all the tracks and also all the road systems that have kind of just been in place because people drive on them. Looking straight ahead, that's south. Mexico's over there, not too far away.
They say that time is free. Then why is it so precious? Oh, I'll save memories in my head, like Polaroids on walls. They remind you to look ahead. Time is running out. Time is running out.
So basically anywhere here you can just camp. I think it's a 14-day limit, but then you have to move. But I love the desert. I never thought I would. It's peaceful, dry, sunny down here. A little bit lower. Oh, I guess I'm gaining altitude again. Try to respect people's privacy.
Time is running out. What if my best days are over? They can't be over now. Time is running out. Time is running out.
I'm gonna drop down and kind of buzz it. I think I wave, but it's kind of fun to drop down in altitude and buzz along at low altitude. Wave to the drone pilot. And thank you all for watching.